I've always been known to keep my tip up. That's a quotation from Pierce Brosnan in the movie Die Another Day from 2002, James Bond. So this Kyosho collection, I have this box from a previous model. I kept it, so it's around $4, 399 yen. And this collection came out in 2006. If you want to pause, you can see the other models in the collection. One day, hopefully, I'll get every one of these. One day. Okay, so within that was this blister pack, and it comes screwed to this base. Well, actually, not within that box, my bad. This thing just came loose in that blister pack. So I think it's part of someone's personal collection. Okay, so this is 172 scale. It's a little smaller than what I'm usually dealing with. But this is the only small scale James Bond cars that seem to have decent details. So apparently in this movie we got some pop-up machine guns and then some rockets, but Kyosho seemed to have skipped the rocket part. Here's a side view. If I haven't told you and you haven't seen, this is an Aston Martin V12 Vanquish. Okay. Here's a rear view. And you notice the license plate does match up, so that's good. And just for fun, I brought this scene up here. Apparently there's a chase where they're driving across an ice field, and Bond was being chased by someone in a Jag XK of some sort. Okay, so let's see what's going on with this little 172 scaler here. Seems to be a white circle on the side. What for? I don't know what that is because I don't see it on any of the photographs. Oh wait, I do see a little bit. Maybe that's like a side marker or something like that. You'll see the wheels here. They are actually passing air between the spokes, so that's pretty great. Little door handle detail looks pretty good. 5 lug nuts in those wheels. The tires have good curvature to them. So not bad at all, Kyosho. This little side vent has that little strake bisecting it. And the vent itself, it is black. It's a little bit of a recess. It's got casted in mirrors. Okay, a little black paint here for the molding. This silver paint here looks nice. Here, no. I don't know if it's the paint or the casting itself. Alright. Well, going to the front, it has the license plate, so that's accurate to the car, in the movie that is. And unfortunately these fog light things are just painted, so that's too bad. Alright, but at least it has plastic lenses up here, and just a molded in detail, not the greatest. Yeah, the machine guns, yeah, they're pretty crude, I guess. Oh well. Raised wiper blades. Black interior, typical Kyosho stuff. Decent details, just you need a flashlight, so I'm not even bothered today. And the back we have some nice red lenses, and the license plate looks good. And then, oddly no Aston Martin badge there. Some red reflectors, and then some blanked off black exhausts. They're part of this press fit base. It's nice that they tell you what the car is and who made it. Unfortunately, it doesn't tell you the year that it was made. The tires do have a really tiny tread. Kyosho takes pride in their tires. I'm pretty sure that every casting of theirs has different tire treads. I've never seen those. That tread, that is. Okay, well, yeah, that's the only issue. It's under the paint. So I kind of feel like maybe the casting itself was sanded too roughly or something like that. And, oh wait, there is an Aston badge right there. Sorry. Yeah, some sort of indication of the Aston logo there. Did I see it on the front? Yeah, I missed it because it's on this white on silver. It's pretty tough to see. But it is there, so that's good. Alright. Well, as I say, there aren't many bond cars this small. They'll look better than this, I guess. So let's bring out this comparison thing. I guess if this thing did a snow scene, I'm going to pull out the snow coaster today. I do have the 1/64 scale V12 Vanquish by Kyosho, but just a road-going car. So you can obviously see the size difference between 172 to 164. The 64 is rear lamps visible. That's still printed on, those little fog lamps. Okay, here's the top view. And just to let you guys know, I added my own silver paint to those mirrors. They don't come that way from Kyosho. Okay. Well, a pretty quick video today. Not much to compare it to. I guess someday I'll, I guess I'll just see you the next time I get one of these bond cars. So, thanks for watching. See you around.